Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So I'm gonna go into a brief history of the coconut rice and peas, and then we're gonna go right into the recipe.
Coconut rice and peas is a dish that instantly transports you to the sunny shores of Jamaica. Imagine the gentle sound of waves crashing on the beach, the warm sun kissing your skin, and the tantalizing aroma of coconut rice and peas wafting through the air. This dish is more than just a meal. It's an experience that captures the essence of Jamaican culture and hospitality. This isn't just food, it's a celebration on a plate. Each bite is a burst of flavor that brings joy and a sense of community. Whether it's served at a grand festival or a simple family dinner, coconut rice and peas always stands out as a star. Every mouthful tells a story of history, culture, and the love for good, honest food. The dish is a testament to the island's rich heritage, blending African, Spanish, and indigenous influences into a harmonious culinary masterpiece. No Jamaican table is complete without a big heaping helping of this national treasure. It's a dish that brings families together, creating bonds and memories that last a lifetime. The sight of a steaming bowl of coconut rice and peas is enough to make anyone feel at home. From family gatherings to roadside stalls, you'll find this dish everywhere. It's a staple that transcends social and economic boundaries, enjoyed by everyone from all walks of life. The ubiquity of coconut rice and peas is a testament to its universal appeal. Its creamy texture and vibrant flavors are a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. The combination of coconut milk, perfectly cooked rice, and tender peas creates a dish that's both comforting and exotic. But what makes this dish so special? What gives it that unique Jamaican soul? It's the love and care that goes into every pot, the traditional methods passed down through generations, and the fresh, local ingredients that make it truly exceptional. Let's take a trip back in time to uncover the fascinating story behind this beloved staple. Join us as we explore the origins of coconut rice and peas and discover how it became a symbol of Jamaican identity and pride. To understand the origins of Jamaican coconut rice and peas, we must first journey back to the shores of West Africa. This dish has its roots deeply planted in the culinary traditions brought over by enslaved Africans during the harrowing times of the slave trade. These resilient individuals carried with them not only their strength and spirit, but also their love for food and flavors. Rice, a staple in many West African cultures, found a new home in the Caribbean. But it was the ingenious fusion of these African roots with the ingredients and influences of Jamaica that gave birth to the unique and flavorful dish we know and love today. The magic of Jamaican coconut rice and peas lies in its simple yet perfectly balanced ingredients. Coconut milk, the star of the show, infuses the dish with its signature creamy texture and subtly sweet, nutty flavor. It's this ingredient that truly sets it apart from other rice dishes around the world. Next comes the rice, typically long grain, which provides a fluffy and satisfying base. And then we have the peas, which aren't actually peas at all, but kidney beans. These hearty beans add a wonderful creaminess and a touch of earthiness to the mix. From pot to plate, the traditional way. This is a journey that takes us back to the heart of Jamaican culture, where every step in the cooking process is a testament to tradition and love. The beauty of Jamaican coconut rice and peas lies not only in its simple ingredients but also in its traditional cooking method. Each ingredient is carefully selected, often sourced from local markets brimming with fresh produce. The vibrant colors and rich aromas of these markets are a feast for the senses, setting the stage for the culinary magic that follows. This is a dish best cooked low and slow, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen over time. The slow cooking process is essential, as it ensures that each grain of rice and each bean absorbs the rich coconut-infused broth, resulting in a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Traditionally, it starts with the gentle sautéing of aromatics like onions, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. These ingredients are not just for flavor, they are the soul of the dish, providing a robust foundation that elevates the entire meal, which infuse the coconut oil with their intoxicating fragrance. The sizzling sound of the aromatics hitting the hot oil is music to the ears, a prelude to the delicious symphony that is about to unfold. Then comes the rice and beans, toasted lightly to enhance their nutty notes. This step is crucial as it adds a layer of complexity to the dish, making each bite a delightful experience. Coconut milk is added along with fresh thyme sprigs and a touch of salt. The coconut milk not only adds a creamy texture but also a subtle sweetness that balances the heat from the Scotch bonnet pepper, transforming the pot into a fragrant symphony of Caribbean flavors. The steam rising from the pot carries the essence of the islands, filling the kitchen with an aroma that is both comforting and inviting. The mixture simmers gently until the rice is tender and the beans are creamy, creating a dish that is rich in both flavor and tradition. Each stir of the pot is a reminder of the care and attention that goes into making this beloved dish, resulting in a dish that's both comforting and bursting with flavor. It's a culinary masterpiece that tells a story of heritage, community, and the timeless joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. Evolution of flavors, variations on a theme. The journey of Jamaican coconut rice and peas is a fascinating one, filled with rich history and cultural significance. While the heart of Jamaican coconut rice and peas remains true to its roots, the dish has seen some interesting variations over time. Each variation tells a story of innovation and adaptation, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped Jamaican cuisine. Some cooks prefer to add a touch of sweetness with a sprinkle of sugar or a piece of pimento, also known as allspice. This subtle addition can transform the dish, adding a unique flavor profile that enhances the overall experience. Others incorporate ingredients like diced carrots, bell peppers, or even bacon for an extra layer of flavor and texture. These additions not only add color and vibrancy to the dish, but also introduce new dimensions of taste that make each bite a delightful surprise. These regional and personal variations are a testament to the dish's versatility and its ability to adapt to different tastes and preferences. Whether enjoyed at a family gathering or a festive celebration, Jamaican coconut rice and peas continues to bring people together, creating cherished memories and shared experiences. Whether it's the traditional recipe passed down through generations or a modern interpretation, one thing remains constant: the love and appreciation for this iconic Jamaican staple. The enduring popularity of this dish is a testament to its timeless appeal and the deep cultural connections it fosters. A staple on the table, modern-day delicacy. Today, Jamaican coconut rice and peas continue to hold a place of honor on tables across Jamaica and beyond. It's the perfect accompaniment to a variety of dishes, from the fiery kick of jerk chicken to the savory flavors of brown stew fish. Whether enjoyed as part of a casual family meal or served at a fancy restaurant, this dish never fails to impress. Its versatility knows no bounds, effortlessly transitioning from side dish to main course with the addition of protein or vegetables. More than just food, a symbol of culture and heritage, Jamaican coconut rice and peas is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of the island's rich history, culture, and resilience. It's a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the Jamaican people, who transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece full of flavor. So next time you savor a spoonful of this Caribbean delight, remember that you're tasting a piece of history, a celebration of culture, and a whole lot of Jamaican love and passion.
Hey beauties, so I am on a time crunch here, and I am challenging myself to upload this video before 12 a.m. So I'm going to give the full recipe in a pinned post, and whatever questions you have, just feel free to ask in the comments. I am posting this as a special request of a subscriber who wanted me to post my recipe of coconut rice and peas. Enjoy. Have a great rest of your day.